So we are going to Filipino Christmas market here in London, and we're gonna enjoy. It's our first time.
Today.
Yes, so it's our first time to go there today,
Mommy,
and we're so
it's
excited to see
today.
what is it there.
It's
Nagulat siya.
Christmas today.
Yes, I'm
It's
with
Christmas
Tria.
today. It's Christmas
Lamig,
today.
it's so cold. Oh, it's your friend. Okay, we're going now. Let's go. And naka-video. You see that?
Wait, kayo doon na sabay na tayo mag-lunch, okay?
Oo. Anong oras pa ba sila?
That's coordination and memory and determination to win. A big round of applause for our Tita Joy. We have here a tumbler. You want a tumbler? Okay. So kami yung order naghanap ng contestant kanina. Si Kobe naman at saka si ano daw? Maghanap daw kayo. Kayo naman maghanap ngayon ng contestant. Okay.
Sabi na ready po. Take away po.
Bago kayo makuha. Alam mo lang. Eh, may lang. Okay lang.